Today's outfit is from Stair Boutique. Okay guys, I'm just getting on here really quickly to cut the lace for a client and show you what that looks like. So this client got one of our beautiful 18-inch kinky straight units. This is one of our most popular textures. This is an 18-inch full lace kinky straight wig. I hope you guys can see the beautiful texture here. Y'all know I am not a lighting expert, but I try. So this is our 18-inch full lace kinky straight. I already cut the lace off the back, but then I decided to jump on here and do this quick video and just show you how I cut the lace on the front. So this is what the hairline looks like. Well, you can't really tell with this light. Okay, so here is this unit here. Can you guys see it? I don't know. Okay, well, I'm just gonna cut the lace and I'll show you the hairline at another time. Okay, so this is the hairline here. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but this is what our standard hairline looks like. Oh, there we go. So this is our hairline here. And this is the scalp here. You can part it wherever you'd like. I'll do another video later showing how beautiful and natural and realistic looks. But so I'm going to cut this lace right here all the way across the perimeter. This client lives in New England and she's one of our very, very lovely international clients. And she orders quite a few units from me and I get them ready for her and she just, as soon as she gets them, she puts them on. I don't cut in a straight line. It's kind of like a little bit of a jagged line. Once you put this on, the lace shrinks up just a little bit. So I cut probably about 1 or 2 holes off of the hairline here. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll probably be getting on to do a live later on today. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the process, what we do for preparing the wigs before we ship them out. When you purchase a wig on our website, magichaircompany.com, there's a question that asks if you would like for us to cut the lace for you. So that way when you get it, it's ready to put on. And we will gladly cut the lace for you, or leave it on if you like. Some people like to cut the lace themselves or have their stylist do it. That is fine. We just give you the option so you can choose either. There's also an option if you would like custom coloring services, because we do our own custom coloring here in store. So all of these beautiful units that you see were custom colored here in store by my amazing colorist. Are you guys hiring for someone to work in the store? We are hiring right now, so go ahead and email us your resume. Do not DM me, email me. Go ahead and email contact@magichaircompany.com. Or just stop by the store, whichever you would like to do. The wig I have on is unit number 226 that we custom colored. It's been glued on for over 2 weeks now, and I think today I'm going to get on and do a removal and re-glue of this unit if I have time. We are booking installation appointments. Our wig installation and basic sewing installation special right now is $175. For those of you that aren't familiar or are new with our company, Magic Hair Company creates custom lace wigs. That's front lace, full lace, and 360 lace. We do custom coloring in store, and we also do installation. We also have our own product line where we have a keratin shampoo and conditioner and curl defining amplifier, which is amazing. And I have an edge tamer as well. And I'm working on a few new products also. So we are definitely a one-stop shop if you are looking to get an amazing wig. Hey Kiana, can you text me back about the graduations? Cause I'll either come to the graduations depending on what the time is or meet you guys for dinner, but just text me back and let me know what the plan is. Okay, going to do that now, thanks, yeah. And Kiana, I found a new brunch for us to go to. So I'll send you that information later. Me and my friends like to go to brunch. Okay, so this is all the lace that I cut off. This lace is a light brown color. That's our standard color. It is a transparent light brown. So this is a standard color of our lace. We can't order it in different lace colors. This is the kinky straight wig, one of our most popular textures. The kinky straight is soft, it's beautiful. It looks like my hair would look if I didn't have any braids or weaves or extensions on it. So it is a great texture if you want your extensions to look like your hair that grows out of your head. So this is the kinky straight. This is what the hairline looks like now after I've trimmed it back. This is our inside cap construction. I don't know if you guys can see with the light. We have our amazing band here. It's adjustable. There's 3 different hooks on it right here, so you can take that apart like a bra strap. You can also just completely remove it like this. It's on here with these hooks, those hooks there. There's 3 of these combs here, or 4 actually on the unit. There's 2 at the ear, 1 right here to prevent the unit from sliding back, and 1 at the nape so you can pull your hair up into a ponytail and it's not going to go anywhere. And all of my units do have my tag on the back. So if your stylist brings you a unit and they say this is for Magic Hair Company and it doesn't have our tag on it, it's probably not. Okay, so this is it for this unit today. This is unit number, I think this is unit number 152. So if you would like more information on this 18-inch kinky straight full lace, this is unit number 182, available at magichaircompany.com. We do have another one in store right now. We also have a 24-inch full lace kinky straight. We have a lot of wigs right now. These are the wigs that I have behind me. You see all of those wigs there, and yes, I'm regluing my wig today. So we have all of these wigs here, plus we have these ones here, plus I have another 24 on the way. We're located in Culver City, California. Our address is 8638 Washington Boulevard. I'm getting off today so I can keep this under 10 minutes. My outfit today is by Stair Boutique. Got a little side skin showing here. This is cute, it's comfortable. Shop with her in her La Brea Boutique. She has all the latest fashions and she also custom makes clothes. All right, everybody, I'm Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company. I will get on here a little bit later on today. Thank you for watching. Bye.